This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Pry off the wheel trim caps. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Then raise the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Release the parking brake and remove the brake drums. If the brake drum is difficult to remove, remove the access plug from the backing plate. Insert a small screwdriver through the hole. Lift the adjuster lever off the adjusting wheel and turn the wheel with another screwdriver to back off the brake shoes. The drum should now come off. All 4 rear brake shoes must be replaced at the same time, but to avoid mixing up parts, work only on one brake assembly at a time. Position a drain pan under the brake to catch the residue. Before disassembling anything, wash off the brake assembly with brake system cleaner and allow it to dry. Do not use compressed air to blow the brake dust off. Remove the upper spring. Remove the hold-down spring from the leading shoe. Unhook the lower return spring from the leading shoe. Remove the adjuster lever and leading shoe. Remove the hold-down spring from the trailing shoe. Remove the trailing shoe from the backing plate, then remove the retaining clip and detach the parking brake lever from the shoe. Clean the backing plate. Then apply a thin film of high-temperature brake grease to the brake shoe contact areas. Connect the parking brake lever to the new trailing shoe and secure it with a new retaining clip. Place the trailing shoe against the backing plate and install the hold-down spring. Clean and lubricate the moving parts of the adjuster. On the leading shoe, lubricate the contact point of the adjuster lever, then install the lever. Install the adjuster onto the leading shoe, then install the adjuster spring. Attach the lower return spring to the bottom of each shoe, then insert the adjuster into the trailing shoe, making sure it properly engages the notch. Secure the leading shoe with the hold-down spring. Install the upper spring in the proper direction. Install the brake drum. To make a preliminary adjustment of the brake, turn the adjuster star wheel until the brakes just begin to drag on the drum as it is turned. Depress the brake pedal firmly several times. Then rotate the drum to make sure that the brakes are not dragging. If they are, back off the star wheel a little more. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear drum brake shoes. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim caps. Unblock the wheels.